Hey everyone, I got a Lock Proseries 6127. I'm gonna get right to picking it because I'm low on battery. There we go, picked. Hopefully I got enough time to show the pins. Got all regular key pins, 5 of them. Got room for 6, only 5 though. First one's a spool. Second one's a spool. Third one's a spool. Oh shit. Camera's trying to fall down on me. Fourth one's a spool. And something you usually don't see too often, master locks, a serrated pin. I don't know how well you can see that the serrations aren't really too definite in it. Oh, the wind's blowing my camera down. Alright, well, it's Master Lock 6127. Thanks for watching. Peace.